Hello everyone, my name is Khongphai. Today I'm going to give you a speech on our Independence Day. Friends, our India country is a country of unity in diversity. So more than 121 languages are spoken in different states. There are also 270 mother tongues. So different states have different cultures. Despite all this, our country is one. Citizens of every state of the country celebrate Independence Day as a national festival on 15 August with great pride. Independence Day provides the message of unity in diversity in our country. This day also reminds us that our country do not get freedom so easily. To liberate this country, Mahatma Gandhi, Bhagat Singh, Neta Subhash Chandra Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Lala Lajpat Rai, including hundreds of great freedom fighters, had sacrificed everything. Today is also a day to remember and pay tribute to the sacrifice of these freedom fighters. Thank you.